sure to watch Sitare every week to catch your favorite star profiles, celebrity interviews, community events, and more.
Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.
Sitare
Right
TV.
here on Sitare TV.
सितारे टीवी
Sitare TV.
सितारे टीवी
कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि के मान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, क्योंकि ये नशा हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। जय हिंद। नमस्ते, मैं हूँ राखी शर्मा। सितारे टीवी की तरफ से मैं आप सभी को हिंदुस्तान के 78वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। Today, as we celebrate India's 78th Independence Day, our hearts are filled with pride. August 15th holds a very special emotion in every Indian's heart, as it reminds us the feeling of freedom after 200 years of British colonial rule. It was a struggle that tested our resilience, unity, and unwavering spirit. So let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and celebrate the feeling of liberty that echoes in every Indian heart. Today I'm here in Fremont covering 32nd year of celebration of 78th India's Independence Day, organized by Festival of Globe, under the leadership of convener Dr. Romesh Japra and parade chair KP Maheshwari. This year's Grand Marshal is Bollywood superstar Manisha Koirala. She is known for her movies Khamoshi, Bombay, Dil Se, 1942 A Love Story. You must have heard this song. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. Well, along with her we have Prashant Gupta as the co-Grand Marshal. As you can see behind me, the parade is about to start with 90 walking groups, 29 floats, hundreds of booths, many dignitaries along with the mayors and vice mayors of Fremont and other neighboring cities, along with the celebrities like Manohar Das, Zakir Hussain. So come along and join us this largest parade and colorful showcase of India's culture, food and festivities. So without further ado, let me take you to the highlights of Fog India Independence Day celebration. Welcome, Mayor May. Welcome to the 78th India's Independence Day. Would you like to give us some message on this day?
Sure. Namaste to all the viewers, and that we wanted to thank you for joining us today for the 78th annual Indian Independence Day. Here in our beautiful city of Fremont, I come from the city of Philadelphia, the city of brotherly and sisterly love. And we're delighted to be home to the oldest democracy and celebrating the largest democracy, and how we are able to bring our cultures, our heritage, our dance, and our celebration together. And so thank you for encouraging the community to participate and to join us in this opportunity to unite our communities, to celebrate this together, and to build the better future of physical health, and mental health.
Thank you so much, and I would like to congratulate you on keeping our community stronger and together, so thank you so much.
Well, thank you. That's why we are the happiest city 6 out of 8 years in the United States, and the best place to raise a family, because our communities come together, we share the culture and heritages, and we embrace the opportunity to support one another. Blessings to you. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.
Be sure to like us on Facebook and do not forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel. SITAARRE. Subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Very happy 78th India's Independence Day, Dr. Japra.
Thank you. 78 for India, 32nd Festival of Globe, India Day Parade.
And could you please give us some message on this beautiful day and how you have been bringing the community together for 32nd year in a row, and celebrate every year and after year we are celebrating this India's Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to everybody out there. Let's celebrate democracy. We are here to celebrate our freedom, our independence, and our liberty. And this is why every community is involved over here. It's not for Indian Americans, Hindu Americans, but everyone comes on board. Everybody is part of it because we celebrate democracy and freedom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And today we have our Vice Mayor Teresa Cox of Fremont over here. Hi Teresa, welcome to the India's 78th India's Independence Day.
Well, it's truly a delight. JN to everyone. Happy 78th India Independence Day.
And would you like to give us some message on this wonderful day? for
Yes,
us?
today is about freedom. It's about being free of the things that divide our community, whether it's politically, socially, economically. It's a day today that we're going to come together as one community. So it's community, unity in our community for diversity, equity, and inclusion.
Thank you so much for this wonderful message. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
And today we have Ms. Han Lien from Milpitas. She's a council member in Milpitas. Very welcome, Han.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here today. It is such a wonderful event, and we've seen so much people, so many. This is way out the very best and the biggest event that I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you so much. And do you have any message for us on the occasion of 78th India's Independence Day?
Yes, so India is the largest democracy, and I would like to wish that the Indians here promote the spirit, the value of your culture, share it, and spread it throughout the world.
Thank you so much, Ms. Han. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have Ms. Kelly Yup Chuan. She's a Board of Education trustee in Milpitas. Hi, Ms. Chuan. How are you?
I'm great.
You're welcome to 78 India's Independence Day. Would you like to say 2 words for us?
Yes, it is an honor to be here to celebrate this vibrant tradition of Fremont, with all the cultures, but especially in India, large population here, and we are honored to be a part of this great, wonderful celebration.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
We have Mr. Yogi Chugh. He's a very active member of the community. Very welcome, Mr. Chugh, to the 78th India's Independence Day. Would you like to give us 2 words on this day?
Absolutely, Rocky. First of all, I'd like to thank Sitara TV for all of the work that you do in our community. Voices are represented, and the storytelling happens when radio segments like Sitara TV go and amplify the good work that our community does. So congratulations to you, congratulations to Poonamji and the Sitara team.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And anything special that you would like to add to that?
Yes, I would. I would like to talk about the rising influence of our diaspora. When we came into this country, we had an immigrant dream, and this country has offered us so much. This parade is a reflection of just an idea in a brain that Dr. Japra and many of us came with, that we're going to have a parade which is going to represent the broad tapestry of India. Today there's 90 entries and 30 floats, and people from all parts of India, of all age groups, seniors, children, recognizing and appreciating a celebration of democracy for India, which is one of the youngest democracies, in America, which is the largest, oldest democracy in the world. This reflects the rising influence of the diaspora, the Indian American community, of which majority is Hindu American. It is a moment of great pride that in the city of Fremont, we can come and have a parade that is attended by people from all walks of life. So that's really very heartening, gratifying, and motivational for us.
Definitely, and given this that we are celebrating 32nd celebration of India's Independence Day over here in Fremont, and year after year we are bringing the community together. So good to see you here, and with that we can say Jai Hind together.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. And today we have Mr. Raj Salwan here. He's running for the mayor for Fremont. So hello Mr. Salwan, how are you?
I'm doing great, very excited to be here.
And you are very welcome to the 78th India's Independence Day. Would you like to tell us something about a message or something to us?
Well, first I'd like to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. Fremont is home to one of the largest Indian American communities anywhere. And we celebrate the diversity of our city, and we make sure we want to have a strong community. And so this Independence Day reflects the city's commitment to supporting our nonprofits and making sure we celebrate the festivals and the diverse events that we have in our community. And as somebody who grew up here, as one of the few Indian Americans, things have changed a lot, so I'm very proud of how our community has risen, how we represent all sectors of life, and I look forward to serving as your mayor to bring our community together, create a pipeline of future leaders, and make sure we have a strong identity and we feel good about our community, and we've continued to celebrate our culture, continue to celebrate our festivals, and have more event spaces for people to celebrate those events. So it's a great honor to be here, and I'm very, very excited.
Thank you so much. And as we say, like unity in diversity has a lot of power. So with that, we'd like to wish you all the very best for your next election.
Thank you so much, and happy Independence Day again.
Thank you so much.
Okay, good seeing you. Thank you. Great job.
Hi, this is Rakhi Sharma from Satare TV, and today on the occasion of 78th India's Independence Day, we have a very famous playback singer from Bollywood, Mr. Manohar Udas ji with us. Namaste, Manohar Udas ji. On this occasion, would you like to say 2 words to us?
Well, it is indeed a great pleasure. I can't express in words that I'm celebrating my Independence Day in USA. And I'm so thankful to them that they invited me. And I think it's a great day for every Indian.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एंड इस ओकेजन पे आप हमारे को किसी भी बहुत पसंदीदा पेट्रोइटेड कोई गाने की आप हमारे को लाइन सुना सकते हैं
वेल बहुत शोर है सुनाना तो मुश्किल है बट फिर प्रोग्राम में देखूंगा मैं बट एनीवे आई वुड लाइक टू विश everyone a very very 78th Independence Day.
जी बिल्कुल नमस्ते जय हिंद
जय हिंद जय हिंद नाम लिया हो तुझे याद किया हो Hi, I'm Manohar Udas. You're watching me on Sitare TV.
And today we have the pleasure of meeting Miss Eliza Marquez from Alameda County Board of Supervisor from District 2. Thank you so much. And you're very welcome to India's 78th India's Independence Day. Welcome.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. I'm really excited to participate in the festivities. It's just amazing to see the rich culture and the vibrancy. I walked up and just saw the vibrant colors, the people. It's just amazing to be here in community and celebrate India's Independence Day. So thank you so much for having me. Again, my name is Elisa Marquez and I represent District 2 with the Alameda County Board of Supervisors.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Individual SUVs for individuals. Get offers on select models at the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
Get $2,500 lease cash toward a 2024 RX 350.
Sir, welcome to the Festival of Globe Parade. What are your observations just looking at this pageantry in Fremont today?
I'm very much delighted to participate in the India Day Parade. In fact, this is my second time because last year I remember participating in the parade immediately within 12 years of my arrival in San Francisco. So I'm excited to participate in the parade, and I think this year I was told that more than 40 organizations are displaying their floats, and it is remarkable that this is the 32nd time the Festival of Globe they're organizing under the leadership of Dr. Ramesh Jopra.
That's correct.
So bringing the Indian culture, showcasing the Indian culture in the west coast of the US. And as you know, each state has a different culture. So every time they would like to showcase a different aspect of the state's culture. And also, this is also promoting unity among the Indian diaspora in the West Coast, and also showcasing the rich cultural heritage to the larger US community here, thereby facilitating cultural understanding and also integration of the Indian diaspora into the larger American community.
That is a wonderful point that you brought. Sir, many people have said that the US-India partnership is going to be one of the most consequential partnership of the 21st century. This cultural people-to-people interaction, how do you think it helps?
See, as you know, US is the oldest democracy and India is the largest democracy. We share the values of democracy, freedom and rule of law. But I think the Indian diaspora is playing a very important role in the vibrant people-to-people connect, and they are a living bridge between India and the US. And Indian diaspora now, it is over 5 million strong. And even in the California state, there is 1 million Indian diaspora, which is 20% of the overall Indian diaspora in the US. And every year, the Indian diaspora is increasingly playing a role in enhancing relationship across all areas, not only people to people, but also, as you know, Indian diaspora, they are very strong in the tech sector. They are Silicon Valley entrepreneurs. I think 50% of the startups are, at least one of the founders is an Indian entrepreneur. And also, big companies, even Fortune 500 companies, we have Indian diaspora at senior management. So they are encouraging the US companies to look at India because, as you know, India is coming up very well. So India is now 5th largest economy in the world, and we are going to become the 3rd largest. And we need key partners like US to help India to grow and also to become a developed country by 2047. I think Indian diaspora is playing a very important role to encourage not only people-to-people connect, but also to encourage the US companies to look at India in a big way, to invest and also to do business.
Well said, sir. Jai Hind, and let's enjoy the parade today. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
भारत माता की जय। आज हम सब यहाँ अपनी आज़ादी का जश्न मनाने आए हैं, एकता और अपनी खूबसूरत डाइवर्सिटी को सल्यूट करने के लिए भी आए हैं। और ब्यूटीफुल ग्रैंड मार्शल यहाँ पे जो आई हुई है मनीषा कोइराला जी, वो भी आ चुकी है। साथ ही साथ हमारे को मार्शल जो यहाँ पे को ग्रैंड मार्शल है प्रशांत गुप्ता, येस ही इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम ओवर हियर। So much fun today, right? तो सबसे पहले जो मैं देख पा रही हूँ वो ये है कि हमारे सारे के सारे डिग्निटरीज आ रहे हैं, एंड इट इज़ रियली सच अ डिलाइट टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दोज डिग्निटरीज along with me. All the dignitaries, the council members, and I don't know him, you know, like so many people, all of you have come together just to celebrate 32nd Fog India Day parade. और मैं हूँ रिनी, आप सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ because you all came together just to celebrate ये आज़ादी का महोत्सव। सारे vintage cars and you know इंडिया के vintage cars एक ज़माने की बात होती थी जब वो राजमहलों और पुराने शहरों में ये बड़े शरे कार्स होते थे, पर यहाँ पे भी एक्चुअली आई कैन सी ऑल द डिग्निटरीज कमिंग इन द क्लासिक कार्स, एंड यहाँ पे भी हमारे मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट जो यहाँ पे है द group of people, they have amazing motorcycles and they have all come together just to celebrate India Day ji. Floor I can see is the beautiful ladies of Bay Area all dressed up in traditional Indian attire of saris. What a beautiful sight to see, है ना? Other groups, they have come here as well, and they are having some janda about the protest for the Arjikor Medical College student who you know, like there was a really bad incident with her. See the next one, it is the University of Silicon Andhra. Ji haan, their mission is dedicated to the discovery, development, communication and application of knowledge in a wide range of academic and artistic fields. Ji haan, साथ ही साथ, you know, like they have actually taken a mission of providing the highest quality academic programs inseparable from its mission of developing new understandings of ancient Indian arts. Language हो या फिर culture, research, creativity, सभी के सभी साथ में लेके आते हैं Silicon Andhra University, and it is right here in the Bay Area, it is right here in the Fremont. Well, पीछे मैं देख पा रही हूँ कि let's see, yes, they are the Indian Muslims of Bay, and they are embracing the spirit of unity and diversity by joining the Bay Area Indian Independence Day Parade as proud Indian Muslims. जी हाँ, इनके जो presence है ना, this is symbolizing the harmony that defines our great nation and showcase the richness of our cultural heritage. Of course, I feel so honored to be here, to be there with all of you guys and celebrating, and साथ ही साथ, oh my God, amazing people coming together, and yes, this is going to be such a wonderful day for all of us. Let's see, it is the Epoch Times who actually offer the traditional, truthful and uncensored journalism. Available in 35 countries and 21 languages, this covers topics such as current events, politics, health, culture, free from any government, corporate or political influence. They always aim to provide the information you need to form your own opinion. I'm Rini and I am hosting today's grand event at the heart of Fremont, California. If you are able to see the next walking group, they are none other than the Falun Gong, यानी कि Falun Dafa, and that is a traditional Chinese meditation practice for mind and body based on truthfulness, compassion and forbearance. Yes, I can see the West drumming. They are the West Drum, which is a folk art performed during harvest or festive occasions, and that is been brought here by Falun Dafa too, which is the Falun Dafa West Drums, because they want to showcase their ancient traditional culture of the Chinese nation with an average age of 68, and yet they are so excited, they are so hyped up, because together all of us are celebrating India Day Parade in Fremont, California. All thanks to the Festival of Globe, all thanks to Dr. Ramesh Japra, because he only had this vision of bringing everybody together for the India Day Parade. The next one is the Ganjing World website company, and they are the new multimedia platform. It aims to uplift people through technology by reconnecting traditional values. Ganjing World is a G-rated platform free from violent, criminal and harmful material. जी हाँ, amazing motorcycles, and they have all come together just to celebrate India Day. जी हाँ, फॉग के परेड में इस बार तो this is really great. सब मिलके हम मना रहे हैं 32nd फॉग इंडिया डे परेड. मैं हूँ रनी, और नेक्स्ट जो फ्लोट यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, let's take a look on who are they. Here we have Shruti Swaralaya USA, which is a fine arts institution dedicated to performing arts in Indian music and dance in Fremont. जी हाँ, they are very famous for their Carnatic music competitions and concerts in Fremont as part of California's Arts, Culture and Creativity Month. चले आगे बढ़ते हैं, एंड नाउ आई कैन सी द फॉग मध्य प्रदेश. जी हाँ, प्रेजेंटिंग टू यू द विनर्स फ्रॉम 2023, अ फ्लोट फ्रॉम द हार्टलैंड ऑफ इंडिया, द ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. और इस बार देयर थीम इज एक पेड़ माँ के नाम. Next we have Chhattisgarh. जी हाँ, Nacha representing Chhattisgarh state of India, proudly showcasing all world Gayatri Parivar, which is 80 years old organization. There are 3,000 plus centers worldwide, and the local chapter is located in Livermore, California, which is called Gayatri Scientific and Spirituality Center, which is primarily practices yoga, yagya and Gayatri for human excellence. Next is O2B2, यानी कि Bihar float. This showcases Mithila, the crown of Bihar, King Janaka's kingdom, birthplace of Mata Sita and waiting place of Prabhu Shri Ram and Sita Maiya. जी हाँ, the float design begins with an invitation to the entire universe to be part of the divine union of Bhagwan Ram and Mata Sita. आप देख ही पा रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे there is a traditional wedding mandap set up on the float, and oh my god, there are haystacks and bamboo sticks too, which is so typical tradition of Bihar. Women are singing wedding folk songs of Bihar. Oh my god, देखने में ही कितना मजा है. बे एरिया केरला हिंदू फ्लोट। जी हाँ, गॉड्स ओन कंट्री को देखते ही मन खिल उठते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज केरला के लिए ये जो फ्लोट है ये हमें नेचर की असली सुंदरता और संस्कृति से मिलाता है। जी हाँ, देखते ही मुझे तो दिल है कि मैं चिल्ला के बोलूं जय केरल। Well, here we have the proud showcase of a float for Jammu and Kashmir for the 78th Independence Day. जी हाँ, they are celebrating a jewel of Indian heritage, the Martan Temple from Kashmir, a testament to the artistic and architectural genius of ancient India. मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये जो मर्तन टेम्पल है ना, कश्मीर का एक बहुत ही प्राचीन मंदिर है जो सूर्य भगवान को समर्पित है। ये मंदिर अनंतनाग
Individual SUVs for individuals. Get offers on select models at the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
Get $2,500 lease cash toward a 2024 RX 350.
के बाद आ जाते हैं फॉग ओडिशा। ये a magnificent float depicting the Konark Sun Temple from Odisha entering into the parade route। जी हाँ, आपको देखना है कि intricate curvings जो इन्होंने दिखाया है ना, and imposing the stature which are really awe-inspiring, a testament to the architectural brilliance of ancient India. And as the float moves forward, a life-size replica of the sun god Surya floating mysteriously inside the temple, casting golden glows across. हाँ, यहाँ पे रिनी लेना चाहती है एक बहुत ही छोटा सा ब्रेक, पर कैसे लूँ? Because next is Upma. Upma presents the amazing Tesla car formation this year. आते हैं Fremont Unified School District। जी हाँ, this is something so dear to me because of course बच्चे यहाँ पे ही जाते हैं और FUSD is proud to educate, challenge and inspire over 33,000 students in its 43 schools.
Individual SUVs for individuals. Get offers on select models at the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
Get $2,500 lease cash toward a 2024 RX 350.
चले उसके बाद मैं देख पा रही हूँ भारतीय तमिल संगम फ्लोट विच इज शो केसिंग द फैसेट्स ऑफ तमिल लाइफ थ्रू द फ्लोट। जी हाँ, तमिलनाडु की बात करें तो ये स्टेट अपने रिच कल्चर और हेरिटेज के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस है। यहाँ की सबसे खास चीज़ों में तमिल लैंग्वेज का अपना एक जो यूनिक चार्म है, जो लिटरेचर ऑफ पोएट्री के लिए जाना जाता है। तमिल कुजिन के बारे में भी हम बात करना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि इडली, डोसा, सांभर या फिर फिल्टर कॉफ़ी जो मुझे ज़रूर चाहिए अभी के अभी। ये तो हर किसी को ही पसंद है। चेन्नई और मदुराई जैसे सिटीज़ अपने हिस्टोरिकल टेम्पल्स और वाइब्रेंट फेस्टिवल्स के लिए भी मशहूर है। और यहाँ पे आप देखें, आई कैन सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल फ्लोट विद ऑल तमिल पीपल सिंगिंग, डांसिंग एंड हैविंग फन इन द 32nd फॉग इंडिया डे परेड। अभी मैं देख पा रही हूँ हरियाणवी बे एरिया एसोसिएशन comes along with a beautifully decorated float depicting Haryana life. It depicts Haryana's agri power. The float represents vibrant culture and the people of Haryana. Float showcases Haryana life, national heroes and beautiful attires and dances here. हरियाणा भाई एकदम मस्ती से भरा हुआ स्टेट है। यहाँ के जो खुशबू होते हैं ना, यहाँ के जो देसी पंजाबी कल्चर होते हैं, जहाँ आपको लस्सी के ग्लासेस तो मिलते हैं, साथ ही साथ छोले भटूरे के प्लेट और एकदम मस्त सरसों का साग ते मक्की दी रोटी। तो हरियाणा का ये जो हरियाणवी डांस हम अभी देख पा रहे हैं, जिसमें लोग ऐसे घाघरे और पगड़ी लेके धूम धड़ाका कर रहे हैं। ओ माय गॉड, ये तो ज़रूर देखने लायक है। जी हाँ, डेफिनेटली वी आर एंजॉइंग दिस अमेजिंग 32nd इंडिया डे परेड प्रेजेंटेड टू यू बाय फेस्टिवल ऑफ ग्लोब यानी के फॉग, एंड वी आर सो एक्साइटेड. I am personally so excited to be here hosting this show, and I am hoping that you are loving it. First time in the fog parade, we represent and we present to you the float from Uttarakhand known as Devbhoomi. It is the home to most revered charms in India and is a must visit place for its beauty. उत्तराखंड का नाम सुनते ही दिमाग में बस एक ही चीज़ आती है, एडवेंचर और सेरेनिटी का परफेक्ट कॉम्बो. यहाँ के मजेस्टिक हिमालयाज, लश ग्रीन वैलीज और क्रिस्टल क्लियर रिवर्स आपको एकदम वाव फील करवा देते हैं. लोग भी वैसे ही होते हैं बहुत ही मजेदार, एंड दे ऑल आर हियर जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट 32nd Fog India Day Parade in the heart of Fremont with me, Rini, and I am not at all exhausted. Our heartfelt gratitude to all the generous donors and sponsors who are here, who are always there to support Fog India Day Parade. And right now, क्या मैं देख रही हूँ? जी हाँ, देयर इज़ फॉग गुजरात. क्या आपने गुजरात का फेमस ढोकला और फाफड़ा का स्वाद लिया है? वेल, या फिर आप कच्छ की रण की वो जो सफ़ेद रेत जो होते हैं वहाँ का जो ब्यूटी होता है आपने देखा है? वाइब्रेंट नवरात्रि क्या आपने देखा है? डांडिया गरबा डांस क्या आपने खेले हैं? तो फिर मैं आपको बताऊँ कि गुजरात का ये जो मेजर हाईलाइट है, जी हाँ, गिर नेशनल पार्क में जो एशियाटिक लायंस को देखना एक एडवेंचर होते हैं, उसको ही लेके आए हैं फॉग गुजरात. ICC, Bay Area's leading organization that provides Indian community an avenue to congregate and celebrate. जी हाँ, यहाँ के senior citizen wing जो होते हैं, that is one of the most popular group in the Bay Area. Well, आ चुका है for the first time in Fog India Day Parade. We have a float representing Sadda, Punjab, the India state known for its valor, agriculture, enterprising people, warm-hearted hospitality. Well, Punjab का तो क्या बात ही मैं करूँ, क्योंकि it is a state at the forefront of contributing to India's economy and sports. Yes, I can see Dr. Japra also went there और वो भी डांस करने लगे, because ये डांस के टाइम पे ना सभी पंजाबी जो होते हैं वो तो ठुमके लगा लेते हैं. यहाँ लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, वी कैन सी न्यू टैंक डायनेस्टी टेलीविजन, which is a global network delivering news, in-depth analysis, documentaries and cultural programs that reflect universal values. With over 200 journalists in 19 boroughs worldwide, NTD reaches millions through satellite. मैं देख पा रही हूँ मेरा बहुत ही प्यारा फॉग बंगाल. में आपको पता ही है कि मैं बंगाली हूँ, मैं बंगाल से जुड़ चुकी हूँ. मैं बता दूँ कि जैसे कि मैं देख पा रही हूँ परेड में बहुत सारे यहाँ पे हैं जिनके हाथ में झंडे भी है, बिकॉज देयर वाज एन वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट इन कोलकाता. तो हमारे लोग बंगाल के मिठास भरे तो होते ही है, पर जब ज़रूरत होता है तो वो सख्त आवाज़ भी उठा लेते हैं. तो वही हम देख पा रहे हैं अभी कि बहुत कुछ वहाँ पे है, हमारे क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म से लेके हेरिटेज एंड लाइक सो मेनी पीपल, आर्ट, म्यूज़िक, लिटरेचर, कल्चर, पर साथ ही साथ हम दिल के बहुत ही सख्त है और हम आवाज़ उठा के ही रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज तेलंगाना फॉग. Telangana float represents vibrant culture and people of Telangana. Float showcases Telugu life, its national heroes and beautiful attire and dances. You know, तेलंगाना का मज़ा ऐसा ही है कि इसके जो चार मीनार की खूबसूरती है, बिरयानी की जो स्वाद है और पर्ल्स की जो शॉपिंग वहाँ पे आप करते हैं ना, सब कुछ एकदम ही यूनिक है. हैदराबाद की बिरयानी तो सबकी ही फेवरेट है भाई, जो स्पाइसी और फ्लेवरफुल होती है उसके बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ. नेक्स्ट इज folk Telugu, जी हाँ, which are representing the Telugu speaking people of India. This is the new initiative from folk to unite the community and promote its culture and traditions. मैं देख पा रही हूँ राना यानी कि राजस्थान एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका. They have established Bay Area based groups representing all Rajasthanis. हम कहते हैं ना कि राजस्थान के रेगिस्तान में मिट्टी का है रंग, पधारो मारो देश, ये सब का है संग. BAPS का जो फ्लोट आ रहा है, that is the replica of magnificent Akshardham temple. It is the largest temple in the USA located in New Jersey. ये टेम्पल ना सिर्फ आर्किटेक्चर से ही हमारा दिल चुरा लेते हैं, टेम्पल के अंदर अगर आप जाएंगे तो फिर ऐसा लगता है जैसे आप कोई ग्रैंड हिस्टोरिकल जर्नी पर निकले हो, जहाँ हर कॉर्नर पे आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी और आर्ट का एक यूनिक ब्लेंड मिलता है. Well, the float is really magnificent because I am just remembering the light and sound show of Akshardham temple and I am so excited to have them here.
And you know, more than that, from what I would say about BAPS organized, the sense of seva, given to the community. Every weekend, there are so many activities I recommend to all the elected officials. If you have not been to a BAPS temple, I would recommend that you visit the temple and see the love and affection by which they host you.
You know, I would also add the light and, you know, the light and sound show जो होता है ना अक्षरधाम टेम्पल में, that is something so magnificent that you definitely need to go watch and be proud of your Indian culture.
Ardas, Badr Ardas, whose song is that? Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, all these people, Jyotsna and our team. Thank you for coming and thank you for joining us. Wasn't the parade beautiful? Awesome, right, that's a word. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, you just watch how great, how dynamic she is, bringing the greetings, bringing the message all the way from Bollywood for us, all the way from Bharat for us. That soil where we love it, absolutely, we all love her. And I'm gonna request our team now, Yash Verma and everybody. So if we have our token of appreciation for Manisha ji, please bring forward. Come our team, the FOG team can come forward. And I want to request Manisha ji to come forward, accept this token of appreciation, this beautiful trophy, just from on behalf of all of you here, all the Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area, and this is for Manisha ji over here. So absolutely, come the FOG team, please join us over here.
Namaskar everyone. Happy Independence Day. आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. Thank you Jafra ji and the entire team for being such a wonderful host and calling me as a Grand Marshal. I'm honored. And all the best. Love you guys.
Get a chance to meet a person like I have somebody here जिन्होंने I would say like she really fated all the maidans in life, and no matter where she is, no matter what she does, everything she does with a perfection. जी हाँ, मैं जिनके बारे में बातें कर रही हूँ आप देख पा रहे हैं, she is none other than our favorite Manisha Koirala. Manisha ji, welcome to Bay Area.
Thank you so much.
And welcome to Sitare TV as well. How is your experience this time when you came for the FOG event?
It was fantastic. And, to be part of FOG, to be part of India Day Parade, where so many wonderful people gathered to celebrate the Independence Day of India. So it's a day to remember all the sacrifices people have done to get the freedom that we have today. And to see a community coming together and volunteering to support the cause is phenomenal. I think there's something every community can learn from this, how people come together and support a cause.
That is so wonderful. Manisha ji, one thing I really want to ask you that I heard that you wanted to be a doctor.
Yes.
And then you became a model and then you entered Bollywood. और फिर वहाँ से तो we all know about your real life. But I really want to ask you about like who is the real Manisha Koirala? Is there a difference between the real and real life for you?
See, I feel I'm a spiritual person, so I have different kind of answer. But what I would like to give is we pave our path. We choose a certain direction, and then that's how our character is formed, our personality is formed, this thing is formed. But at the core of us is we are children of God, and all of us are same, all of us are equal, all of us are given the same amount of potential to shine. I'm just one of them.
तो rarely हम ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं जिनके लाइफ में they have got a second chance and you have had that. So your first innings versus your second innings, is there a difference? Have you have different sort of experiences in life that changed you over time?
Definitely. I think with experiences one can only learn and become better human beings, So I hope I have done that. I hope I've become more compassionate, more knowledgeable, more mature in life.
Do
you still have that जो छोटी वाली मनीषा कोइराला जब सौदागर में हमने देखा था, do you still have her buried somewhere or you have changed a lot with time?
See, I think we all have that child inside which never dies. Or that childlike nature, I don't think we should lose. And I think we need to preserve the innocence, we need to preserve the excitement, we need to preserve the childlike vulnerability, no matter what happens in life, you know. So many times when someone is ditched or disappointed, so many hard things happen, we tend to kind of build a wall and lose that quality. So I think we need to preserve those qualities.
अभी एक्चुअली सितारे टीवी के व्यूअर्स, आई रियली वांट टू टेल यू कि अगर मैं उस चांद के बारे में बातें ना करूँ तो फिर इट विल बी रियली अनफेयर, जिनको हम दूर से तो देखते हैं पर वो हमारे आंगन में नहीं आते. बट हियर वी हैव मलिका जान फ्रॉम हीरा मंडी एज वेल. सो आई हैव वॉच्ड हीरा मंडी एक्चुअली सेवरल टाइम्स. पर वो जो नज़ाकत आप में थी वहाँ पे, वो जो आप जैसे बातें कर रही थी, लाइक हाउ हैव यू लर्न सच ग्रेट उर्दू?
I worked hard at it. So मेरी ज़बान शुद्ध नहीं थी, तो जो कुछ भी होता है मुझे कोई नया ज़बान नहीं, लफ्ज़ नहीं, भाषा सीखने को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला ये इस करियर में. और अच्छा लगता है अगर कुछ नया करने को मिले, अगर कुछ सीखने को मिले, अगर if I learn more, I enjoy that. तो मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. You have to work hard, you have to focus, and acting is basically a lot more than just in front of camera. You have to do the base work, lot of preparation. So it's part of the job.
तो ये मलिका जान की जो कैरेक्टर है, शी वॉज हर्ट, शी वॉज scarred, शी वॉज इन अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, एंड देन वी नो दैट यू हैव गॉन थ्रू ऑल ऑफ इट. सो ये जब आप फिल्म कर रही थी, was there any point that you had a catharsis because you have also gone through a lot of things in your life? How was your experience? Did you have that male bandhan between your real life and your real life in Hira Mandi?
That never happens. This is something which I get asked about many times, but मैं आप लोगों को ये क्लियरली बताना चाहती हूँ कि कोई संबंध नहीं रहता है रियल लाइफ और रियल लाइफ में. हम एक्टर्स होते हैं, हमको बहुत सारे किरदार करने पड़ते हैं, हमको बहुत सारे डिफरेंट स्टोरी लाइन में काम करना पड़ता है. हाँ, अपने समझ के अनुसार हम वो कैरेक्टर को समझते हैं और उसका पोर्ट्रेयल करते हैं. उससे ज़्यादा ताल्लुकात नहीं रहता है कि हमारे जो रियल लाइफ में होता है. मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा कुछ वो हम पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, क्योंकि हमको जो स्टोरी दी गई है, जो किरदार दिया गया, उसमें हमें अपने आप को खोना है, अपने को लेके उधर नहीं लाना है. तो आप एक्टिंग कर ही नहीं पाओगे. उसमें हम जो किरदार दिया है उसके बारे में सोचना है. उस किरदार का बचपन क्या रहा होगा, उसके साथ क्या गुजरी होगी, उसकी अभी क्या मानसिकता होगी, उसकी सबकॉन्शियस में ट्रॉमा का क्या इम्पैक्ट रहा होगा. वो सब सोच समझ के करना पड़ता है. ये नहीं कि आप खुद की जो बीती हुई है वो तो आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे, फिर काम नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
You know, Manisha, I think that you are the perfect person to tell people how to cope up with the problems in life. अगर कुछ भी हो जाए ज़िंदगी में तो कैसे वापस आना है, लड़ना है. So if you can tell our viewers, something, some positive words, so that जो भी हमारे यहाँ के viewers हैं, they are suffering, maybe how do they cope up with whatever is happening around and still be the strongest person like what you are?
No, I think basically हम सब में ये ताकत रहती है, हम सब में ये कैपेसिटी होती है कि लाइफ में जो कुछ भी चैलेंजेस आते हैं, जो कुछ भी हमें फेस करना पड़ता है, हम वो फेस करके और अपनी ज़िंदगी को ठीक करते हैं. तो ये हमको याद रखना है कि हमारे अंदर ही वो ताकत है. और वो जैसा मैंने कहा, वी ऑल आर चिल्ड्रन ऑफ गॉड, वी ऑल आर डिवाइन चाइल्ड, सो वी हैव दैट इनसाइड अस. बस उसको ढूंढना है, अपने आप को मजबूत रखना है और एक एक कदम, स्मॉल स्टेप एट अ टाइम, यही सोच के अभी मैं यही कर सकती हूँ, इतना ही कैपेसिटी है, लेकिन कल दूसरा कुछ ऐड करूँगी। तो ये चीज़ मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला था कैंसर के दौरान, कि मैं ठीक होंगी या नहीं मुझे मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन अभी आज के दिन मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं बस उतना करूँगी, उसकी उतना ही सोचूंगी। कल आएगा, कल मैं सोचूंगी आज के दिन मैं क्या करूँ, बस one step at a time, baby step at a time, and then you reach the goal.
That is wonderful, and we know that she is beautiful inside and out. And last but not the least, हमारे सितारे टीवी व्यूअर्स के लिए अगर आप कुछ कहें तो फिर that will be wonderful. Give a bite.
So नमस्कार to the viewers of सितारे। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि आपके साथ बातचीत हो रही है, और so keep watching Sitare, and I just want to say Happy Independence Day to all the viewers. Be happy, be healthy. This life is precious. Enjoy and give joy to others.
Thank you so much. This is Rini signing off, and thank you so much, Manisha.
Individual SUVs for individuals. Get offers on select models at the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
Get $2,500 lease cash toward a 2024 RX 350.
परेड जो है ना, ये सिर्फ एक इवेंट ही नहीं है, ये है हमारी आज़ादी की कहानी जिसे हम मिलके मना रहे थे एंड देश के वीरों को सल्यूट कर रहे थे। वेल, आप सभी को पता है कि ये देश के लिए हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, और देश से इतना ज़्यादा दूर विदेश में हमारा ये जो दिल है, ये भी हमेशा हम इंडियंस ही कर सकते हैं। ऐसे लंबा वाला, ऐसे बहुत ही बड़े वाले पैरेड, बिकॉज मैं आपको बताऊँ कि दिस परेड इज़ द लार्जेस्ट इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका फॉर द इंडिया डे परेड। एंड ये जो सेलिब्रेशन आज हमने की है, जस्ट गेटिंग यूनिटी अमॉन्ग्स द डाइवर्सिटी, हाँ, मुझे तो लगता नहीं है कि ऐसा कोई परेड और किसी ने कभी भी देखा होगा। तो चलिए अपने देश के रंगों से इस मैदान को भर देते हैं और दिखा देते हैं दुनिया को कि भाई हम भी हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम सबसे अलग है, हम सबसे खास है, और हम मिलजुल के रहते हैं। और यहाँ पे बे एरिया में आज 32nd फॉग इंडिया डे परेड में आके आई एम रियली सो हाइप्ड अप, सो हैप्पी, सो एक्साइटेड। चलिए सब मिलके बोलते हैं कि जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद।
Enjoy 32nd Fog India Day Parade narration with me, Rini, and thank you so much. Rini will now sign off, but आप तो सुनते रहेंगे, गूंजते रहेंगे आपके कानों में इंडिया के ये धड़कन, और definitely we will meet very, very soon. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to Fog India Day Parade in Fremont Bay Area.
You are watching the 32nd Fog India Day Parade only on Sitare TV. Be sure to watch Sitare every week to catch your favorite star profiles, celebrity interviews, community events, and more.
Sitare TV. Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.
Sitare
Right
TV.
here on Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.